Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another beautiful home in Winter Haven. So I've been showing you guys a lot of homes, but this one is definitely different, and I just wanted to show you guys something different just in case you wanted something different than what I've been showing you. This home has a beautiful pool. I showed you another home with a beautiful pool, but this has like a different vibe, and we're in Winter Haven too, so that's different. So if you guys love this, definitely call or text me 407-374-2747. And then here is the pool, you all. Nice and spacious in the back. I love that. So you're not really seeing that with a lot of built homes. Just because you're getting your home built too don't mean that you're going to have that. Let me say that. A lot of that stuff is upgrades. And then right now, I don't know if they're even going to be able to build it. But the point that you can have space to build yourself, that will be even perfect. Even better for you. So there's a closet, beautiful bedroom. Then we have another bedroom here. This is probably what they're using for their design studio. You know, where you pick out, different type of floorings that you want, different tiles, different type of cabinets. This is probably where you will come to pick that stuff out. An extra closet, which is really good. And then you have a full bath here. I love that light up there. I keep telling you all about that. I love that light. Okay, perfect. Very beautiful. And this is very open. You guys can definitely entertain here. Very beautiful. Let's go and check out the laundry room and also this extra bedroom. So this is the laundry room here. Also very spacious. That is the garage. Then here is another bedroom and bathroom. So very beautiful, you all. Again, if you guys have any questions, definitely call or text me. I did not ask about the incentives, but there's a lot of builders out there that's giving out $25,000, $20,000 towards closing costs. So definitely call me. And some builders are even able to buy down your interest rates. You can get an interest rate in the 4 and the 5%. So definitely call me. I'll see you guys in the next video. 407-374-2747. Bye-bye.